Hello kids! So today in this video we are going to learn shapes and colors. So how many shapes are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we are going to learn 12 shapes and 12 colors. Okay? So let's get started. So first I'll take brown color. This is brown color and color this shape. This is triangle. This is triangle. Okay, this is triangle. And this one is brown color. Next I'll choose dark blue color and color this shape. This is square. This is a square. Let's color it. Okay, this is a square and this is dark blue color. Next I'll take baby pink color and color this shape. This is a circle. This is a circle. And which color is this? This is baby pink color. Next I'll take red color and color the heart. This shape is called heart. Okay, this is heart and the color is red color. Next I'll take green color. This is light green color and color pentagon. This shape is called pentagon. Okay, this is a pentagon. And which color is this? Light green color. Next I'll take yellow color and color the star. This is star shape. Okay, this is a star and this one is yellow color. Next I'll take orange color and color the cross. This shape is called cross. Okay, this is cross and this one is orange color. Next I'll take purple color and color this shape. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Okay, this is a rectangle and this one is purple color. Next I'll choose blue color. This is light blue color and color this shape. Which shape is this? This is a crescent. This is a crescent. Okay, this is a crescent and this color is blue color. Next I'll take dark green color and color this shape. This is a semicircle. This shape is called semicircle. Okay, this is a semicircle. And which color is this? Dark green color. So next I'll take silver color and color this shape. This is an oval. This is an oval shape. Okay, this is an oval shape and this color is silver color. And finally I'll take black color and color this shape. This is an arrow. This is an arrow. Okay, this is an arrow. So here we have completed our shapes and colors. Let's repeat once again. Triangle. This is a triangle. Square, circle, heart, pentagon, star, cross, rectangle, crescent, semicircle, oval and arrow. Let's check the colors. Brown color, dark blue color, baby pink, red, light green, yellow color, orange, purple, blue, dark green, silver color and black color. So here we have completed our colors and shapes. So that's it for today, kids. I hope you like this video, and if you do, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.